Assalamu alaikum children, how are you all? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, I am your teacher from Herald City School, Montessori Senior. This is your reading book, Phonic Reader Book 2. And today children we will learn the page number 22. Now open the page number 22. Now children start reading with me. IT8 ISS my LIP lip. It is my lip. It is my lip. Read it again. IT8 ISS my LIP lip. It is my lip. It is my lip. And the next line is IT8 ISS my GUN gun. It is my gun. It is my gun. Now read it again. IT8 ISS my GUN gun. It is my gun. And the next line is THE the BIB bib ISS WET wet. The bib is wet. The bib is wet. Now read again with me. THE the BIB bib ISS WET wet. The bib is wet. And the last line is THE the WIG wig ISS BIG big. The wig is big. The wig is big. Now read it again. THE the WIG wig ISS BIG big. The wig is big. The wig is big. I hope children you will understand that how we read the page number 22. I hope you will read this page again and again at home with the guidance of your parents. Thank you, take care and Allah Hafiz.